are all ready to just go and work hand in hand, not about positions or anything. Let us just go and work and deliver dividends to democracy to the people.
Okay, but the big prince that we've been hearing about, some people not being satisfied as members of this coalition, do you think this had also addressed it?
But it has. We just came out of the meeting. You just spoke to the chairman. And that's why I decided to just add my voice to telling you that most of the, in fact, I would, without contradiction, say almost all of it has been resolved.
Distinguished, there is a
new... As a senator, I'm totally and completely committed to ADC. But obviously, as the senator representing the Federal Capital Territory, you don't expect me to just take a lunch break and go and collect card. I want to do so with noise and fun. Do you accept that?
So you are satisfied with the leadership of the ADC and the coalition and the steps taken so far?
Yes. It's something that is evolving. So you cannot say while your child is still crawling that you are not happy with how he's going to run. You wait, we're growing.
Are you worried that based on the provision of the law that you might have to relinquish your seat at the Senate to be a member of a new party?
I ask you to please read the Constitution. There are two factions clear of Labour Party. The perfect definition that the Constitution gives for somebody to decamp without penalty. So you say I should stay in Labour Party. Which faction of Labour Party do you want me to stay in? There are two clear, distinct ones. Even INEC got two sets of results and candidates for, though they didn't accept any. But there's no question of that. Even the time when we didn't have two clear factions, did you see nobody's implementing it? But I do follow the law. And if there were not two distinct factions of Labour Party, I would not presume to decamp because that is unconstitutional. But they are. And this is the definition that the Constitution gave. Why for it be okay to decamp to anywhere I wanted to go to. I just chose ADC.
Thank you very much indeed.